Good morning. How are you feeling? Good morning, everybody. Welcome wherever you are from around the world. I see the friends that are joining from city-states, United States, from India, from Europe. Welcome. Okay, let's begin. Let's close our eyes. We're continuing our journey to being present. Being grateful for our presence, being grateful for this moment. So keep your eyes gently closed. Keep your mouth softly closed. There's no work here for you. Just stay with the breath. Find your seat. And just begin to notice the coolness of the air as you intake. And notice how it transforms as you exhale. Just stay with the breath. Breathing in, we receive. Exhaling, we release. Breathing in, receive. Exhaling, release. No work, no agenda. Just you and your sacred breath. And as you begin to settle, you may have a lot of thoughts, no problem. You may have stuff from the day before, or the weeks before, lists of stuff you're dealing with today. It's all good. Do not resist. Resistance is futile, so just let it go. We'll allow the breath to anchor us. The breath invites us into this present moment. So with your eyes gently closed and the mouth gently closed, stay with your breath. So you're breathing in through the nose, receiving. Exhaling through the nose. Release. In, receive. Exhaling, release. And let's just do a quick exercise together with our eyes softly closed. An exercise with just a few breaths that will actively engage parasympathetic nervous system, which is very simply the part of us that knows how to rest, how to restore. We'll do a calibrating breath in and out, and then it's 3 breaths in, 4 breaths out. So let's begin. Inhale and out and begin. Inhaling, 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhaling, 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhaling, 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, 1, 2, 3, 4. And stay with that breath. Come back to your natural, easy breath. And just in these few moments, we've reset our breath, become more present. And with your next inhale, silently say the word let. Exhaling, silently say the word go. So you're inhaling let, exhaling go. Inhaling let, exhaling go. Inhaling let, exhaling go. And as we get into stillness, if you catch yourself with a lot of thoughts, no judgment, come back to the breath and gently, gently just start again. There's no work here. There's just you and your sacred breath. Inhaling let, exhaling go. Inhaling let, exhaling go. And for the next few moments, allow yourself to be totally untethered, pushing off from the shores that you might know. And just do your best to allow the breath to anchor you and to guide you. It will. Stay with the breath. Stay with the breath. Inhaling let, exhaling go. And just allow the mind to settle. Allow all of that turbulence to be released. And just become aware of the breath. In, we receive. Exhaling, release. Receive. Release. And keeping your eyes softly closed, just taking this stillness, taking this peace. This peace is your right. And like love, you need not fight for it or earn it. The invitation is just to get quiet enough to tune in. And as you go into your day-to-day, become aware of yourself of how you're feeling, of your own emotional state, noting what you might want to put your attention toward, what you might want to release or take a deeper dive into. This part of you that's doing the listening and the witnessing, the ancients say, it's the part of you that the waters may never wet, that the winds may never dry up, that the fires may never burn. Indeed, it's the eternal part of you, the divine witness, the silent observer to all of this. Keeping your eyes gently closed, put your palms together, put your thumb on your sternum, and allow yourself to feel your left, the side of the moon, the seat of intuition. Feel that pushed up against the right side, Surya, the divine masculine in all of us. And let's ask for balance for all parts of ourselves as we go into our day and along our way. You are perfect and complete. Take a long, slow, deep breath in through the nose and exhale. I wish you Namaste. The divine in me bows and honors the divine in you. Welcome back. I hope this is serving you well. Be sure to reach out to the people in your work life, your friend life, your family life, and all sectors of your life that you know might be on their own or struggling. And tune into sleep meditations and into all the fantastic things we're doing on YouTube as well. More important than all of this, let me know how you are. I send you light and love. Namaste.